So this case study involves starting with Google search ads. Here we want to create Google ads which comes on when people are searching for buy villas in Goa, buy villas on sale in Goa. We are very specific out here that we want to only show ads to the people from Delhi and Hyderabad who are searching from Delhi and Hyderabad and are interested in buying villas in Goa and not apartments or any other thing right now from the website. Let's get started. Our first step would be to find out keyword search volume strictly from Delhi and Hyderabad on the keywords which we intend to use for our ads. We'll go to Google Ads. We'll go to Tools, Keyword Planner. We will create one good performance sheet here. So first we'll discover new keywords and then we'll see the forecast. As we intend to use keywords which are strictly for Goa and with an intent to buy. So right, buy villa in Goa. Here we are focusing on this buy and Goa keyword because if somebody is just writing luxury villa in Goa should not be the one who is actually looking to buy out the property. We can use property in Goa or buy property in Goa. Well, we can do buy here as well. Villa for sale in Goa. We can also work on beachside villa, etc. A lot of keywords can be planned. Right now, I'm not putting up a website here. Why? Because we are just targeting villa-based keywords and not flat in apartments. So I'm just manually entering these and get results. So here I have some results which says this particular search query, the keyword buy villa in Goa, has an average of 100 to 1000 searches from India. This moment we are searching from India. We'll change it to Delhi and Hyderabad. And what are the bid range, top and high? And how's the competition? How to assess competition here, it's more of if low competition, there are less people who are bidding on these keywords. If it's medium, they're moderate enough, and high, a lot of people are bidding on this keyword. That's where you actually check competition. So now I have some keywords here. Villa for sale in Goa has a good actually average search volume, which is 1000 to 10,000. And now when I change here, as we are just targeting Delhi and Hyderabad, so I just need to be focused on that how many searches happens from Delhi and Hyderabad. And Hyderabad. So I've removed India and just targeting Delhi and Hyderabad. And if you see here, these are the search volumes. Now buy villa in Goa is 10 to 100. And that's how you see. Now what I can do is I can download these all keywords which I am getting out here. And download in Google Sheets. And I can talk about I'll open the sheet. This moment, the sheet has to be organized. The tabs which I don't need, I'll just remove them. So the stat shows for last 1 year. Maybe I can change it if I want to see the predictions or see the stats for a longer time, I can change here. These are predictions which Google is suggesting on based of the history of an year. If I want to check for last 24 months, I can change and check. Here it is. These projections we are taking from Google's past history, that how the bidding has been on these keywords and what's the competition and all to start with. So here we go. Now we need to organize the sheet. The columns which are not needed are to be removed. Now I have quite a lot of keywords here. All the keywords might not be useful for me. From these keywords, we need to make selection as we are not looking for flat, etc. So we'll just make some selection and filter these keywords. We'll just focus on keywords which are for villa. Maybe you can also keep the sheet intact and green all the keywords which you feel you'll be using in your ads. You can select 20 keywords. So I'll select 20 keywords from here. Lots of sale in Goa. Certainly, the one which have a good volume, we should pick them and should be valid as well for us to use in our ads. This keyword doesn't fit in. Why? Because we are targeting a villa which is around 2 to 5 crores. My beach house in Goa. It could be property keywords. We can definitely check and see. The average volume which we are seeing is 50. Villas for sale in a particular area. If we also serve in the same area, maybe we can take it. If not, then no. Portuguese house, we do that. Villas for sale in Goa near beach. So that is your first sheet, first tab which you create. So I can write it. Keywords. That's the first thing to do. And then maybe you can refine this sheet and just have those 20 keywords which you are targeting for one particular campaign, which is buying when somebody writes buy villa or luxury villa in Goa.